Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Buy Me a Coffee mobile app. So if you want to manage donations, check your earnings, or update your creator page directly from your phone, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step in 2026. First, download the Buy Me a Coffee app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, log in using your email or connected social account to access your creator dashboard. Next, once you're inside the app, you'll land on your dashboard. Here you can see your earnings, support activity, and recent notifications all in one place. Now tap on the Posts section to create updates for your supporters. You can share text posts, images, or exclusive content directly from your phone without needing a computer. Next, go to the Earnings or Payout section to track your donations. This is where you can see how much support you've received and check your withdrawal status. You can also open the Messages section to reply to your supporters. Staying active and responding to messages helps you build stronger connections with your audience. Quick tip: turn on notifications so you never miss a new supporter or payment. It helps you stay updated in real time, even when you're not using the app, and that's basically it. You now know how to use the Buy Me a Coffee mobile app in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helps you manage everything easily from your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.